Why do 90% of startups really fail? You heard the stats, right? 90% of startups crash and burn and only 10% survive. But what really goes wrong? Is it lack of funding, bad timing, poor execution, or just bad luck? Today we are breaking it all down, real life examples, proven statistics, and battle tested tips to help you avoid becoming another failed startup story. If you are ever thinking about starting a business, stick around, this might just save you years of struggle. Hey there, future achievers. Welcome to the crew. I'm Sandesh, your go-to guide for all things productivity, mindfulness, and personal finance. If you're ready to take charge of your life, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon because today we are diving deep into a harsh reality. Let's start with the brutal facts. According to study by CB Insights, these are the top reasons why startups fail. Number one, 38% running out of cash, 35% no market need, 20% getting outcompeted, 19% flawed business model, and 14% poor marketing. Let's break this down with real examples. Case 1, Quibi lost $1.75 billion. Remember Quibi, the short form video streaming platform launched in 2020 with a whopping $1.7 billion investment, but shut down in just 6 months. Why? They solved a problem that just didn't exist. People didn't need a premium short video service when they had TikTok and YouTube for free. Case 2, Jawbone burned through $900 million. Jawbone, once a major competitor to Fitbit, raised almost $1 billion but still failed. Why? They didn't innovate fast enough. And when Apple and Fitbit launched better products, they were wiped out. Here's a hard pill to swallow. Your idea doesn't matter. The market does. Slack, Airbnb, and Uber succeeded because they solved a real problem. On the flip side, thousands of startups die every year because they build something no one wants. Validate your idea before you build. Talk to potential customers, pre-sell your product, run small experiments. Example, Zappos founder Nick Swinmurn tested his online shoe store idea by posting photos of shoes and only buying them from retailers once customer placed an order. No inventory, no risk. Fact, 82% of businesses fail due to cash flow problems. Many founders burn money on fancy offices, big teams, and ads without even proving their business model. Lesson, be frugal, focus on survival before scaling. Example, Amazon Jeff Bezos started with desk made out of doors and a manifest office. Profits first, luxuries later. Tip, master lean startup principles. Start small, grow fast. Invest in what brings revenue, not vanity metrics. If people won't pay for your product, it's not a business, it's a hobby. A startup success isn't just about idea, it's about the team. Great startups is equal to great founders. Bad founders, disaster. Example, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak had the perfect mix. Jobs was the visionary, Wozniak was the technical genius. Meanwhile, many startups fail because they have one-man show or team conflicts. Tip, get the right team. Don't hire friends, hire skilled people. Have a co-founder who balances your weaknesses. Focus on execution, not just ideas. Now that we know why most startups fail, let's flip the script. How do you succeed then? 5 golden rules for startup success. Number 1, solve a real problem. If no one is dying for your solution, pivot or drop it. Number 2, validate first, build later. Test your idea before investing. Number 3, master cash flow. Money mismanagement kills startups, so stay lean. Number 4, build a strong team. Ideas don't build business, but people do. Number 5, adapt and evolve. Market changes, so should you. Start agile. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more business breakdowns. Stay curious, stay ambitious, and I'll catch you in the next one.